Customization, building lists. Okay, we're here on mysite.com to take a look at how to build lists using the site builder system. We're logged in as the admin user, and we're going to create a new page now. So from the menu editor, we'll add a new menu entry, testing lists, and that'll do. That gets added to this menu up here, and we're going to start with a blank page. There's no page there. This is normal for the site builder system. I'm going to create a page here, and now I've got a 3-column layout. We'll change the page layout to something a little bit better for lists. Delete that row, and we'll just have an 8:4 layout. Right, so there we go. So the first thing we want to do is add a widget. And this is your normal HTML widget here, but right now we want to add an item list widget. And what the item list widget does is it goes and gets items that people have uploaded to their profiles and makes a list of them. So first thing we want to do is decide what we want a list of. So we can select from any of these things that have been uploaded into the system. We'll make an audio list. Call it latest songs, and we want 5. You can go into the search conditions, so you can choose any of these. If we wanted to choose the audio genre is equal to rock, then we'd only get the latest songs where the genre is rock, but we don't want to set that. For this list, we just want to get a basic list of anything, and we'll get 5 of them and see what happens. There we go, view our changes. There we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly what we asked for. And we can get a site builder, grab another list, make a blog list. And you'll see that down the bottom here it says template code. Now if you're doing this directly in the templates, copy that, or in this template code widget, this is another way to make a list. So this is getting the blog modules, get a list of the 5 blog modules. Widget title, blog list, save changes. So that's another way to make a list. It's coming out with quite a lot there, and pretty big. Probably not the greatest one to have there. So we can adjust that. Site builder, edit that by either creating a template here. Bit advanced yet, but you can adjust that. So select the module, go to the blog module, save that, and template. We use a custom template and load the default template in here. So this is the default template that's provided by the blog module, and we saw it was a bit large, so we can adjust that if we wanted to. We'll ditch this block text out of there, I think. There we go, we'll see what that looks like instead. Save changes. There we go, now we've just got the items. We can play with it a bit more, or perhaps we can, instead of removing that blog text altogether, we can limit it down to just a bit. You've got a lot of control here over what it is that you want to do. If you want even more control over that, then you can come and have a look at this one in the docs. There, so come here to the core list function, and you'll see this is a template function. lot of control here. The widgets will give you control up to a certain point, but if you need more fine-grained control over that, you can take full control over exactly what comes out by using that template code and this template, the JR core list function that controls any kind of list you want to get. You can use either the site builder system, or you can use this JR core list call to go and get them. Have a read of the docs there.